So if you ask, ma'am, whether I should take up DNB, MD, DMRD. So obviously, MD is the preference. There's no doubt in that. One doubt here is, should I take up MD in a peripheral college versus DNB in a very good college in a metro city? My answer for that would be DNB then, right? Because now the job opportunities as far as DNB and MD are concerned are absolutely the same. There's no discrimination in terms of MD versus DNB if your skills are the same. So if doing DNB in a metro city like, let's say, Gangaram Hospital or any other big hospital which has multiple resources, go for it, because radiology is resource dependent. If you have multiple MRs, if you have multiple CTs, good patient load, that is always better than a peripheral college MD degree where you did not even get to see an MR, right? So that should be your decision maker, that how many modalities are there, how much patient exposure, how many new research papers are coming out of that hospital. So those should be your considerations and not just the label that you're getting. So that's first. Then let's say your rank is not as good as you can get MD. DNB versus DMRD. So obviously DNB then. But if you want, radiology, should we take up DMRD is also one question that students ask, that should I do DMRD? So DMRD hai kya? It is a diploma course, right? So this is a diploma course that is recognized by NB now. So obviously, DNB is also a diploma, but both of these are comparable 3-year courses where you get your degree. So this is DNB radio, MD radio. This is diploma in radiology. This is a 2-year course, right? So this is a 2-year course. After this, what you can do is mainly practice in private hospitals. You do not get to practice in government hospitals. You do not get accepted mostly in corporate hospitals. So private centers do take up DMRD. Another option that most DMRD students end up doing is a secondary DNB. Years आपका diploma में लग गया. After that, you follow it up with 3 years, of DNB. And actually this competition is very less, so that is why a lot of students do consider taking this pathway, क्योंकि diploma के बाद DNB मिलना in a very good hospital also